I don't like cutting with the saw. I've been doing that for many years and I use a circular saw. But I need something for woodworking, and here we have is an excellent Japanese saw. It comes in a number of sizes. Let's open this up, give you a nice close-up look at what you get inside the box. Taking a nice close-up look, we have an instruction guide, some information provided for you. You have the blade protected by cardboard. Be careful when taking it out. It is well protected with plastic on both edges. And we have some tools to install. You have a flathead screwdriver to put in there so you could take this out entirely. The Allen key fits the tool, and the flathead could fit the bottom piece entirely. We take this out all together. We have a top cap. We place on the tool, slide back the bolt, and place on the bottom piece and lock it down. If you ever need to replace the blade itself for a larger one or replacement, that's what this is for. So what we're going to do is remove the blades. Be very careful because this is very sharp. There's a black thin line and there's a silver, which is just basically the color of the blade, a thicker line. So you have two types of blades, and this is flexible. I'm going to show you how to cut a piece of wood. Very simple indeed. I'm going to use the thicker side, and here we go. I'm going to show you how to cut a piece of wood. Very simple indeed. We're going to cut the piece of wood with the thinner side. I'm not going to be juggling this, but this is an awesome tool for your woodworking. It is a nice blade. The only thing this doesn't have is a handle so you can hang it up, but you will find a place in your kit for one of these blades. I hope you enjoy your woodworking tool, a Japanese saw.